At Vantage, we are addressing a key gap in visibility and marketing effectiveness for small businesses in rural area of Italy. Many of these businesses struggle to compete in an increasingly digital marketplace, often relying on outdated methods such as flyers and static billboards, which are costly and not so efficient anymore. Traditional marketing lacks the flexibility and engagement needed in a fast-paced and digital-first world.
Sustainability, powered by solar energy. Our billboards eliminate the environmental impact of paper-based advertising and reduce energy consumption. This makes our solution both cost-effective and eco-friendly.
We are dedicated to local growth. Digital signage captures attention with engaging, animated content, helping local businesses attract and retain customers. By providing an effective marketing tool, we support local economic growth, creating opportunities for businesses to reach new customers, including tourists. What competitors can cover the same need as Vantage? Digital platforms reach larger audiences, but are often too costly or complex for small rural businesses. Mobile billboards and truck advertising offer more flexibility, but have a high operational cost. How will Vantage beat their competitors? We will target underserved small businesses and offer them affordable, solar-powered digital signage tailored to their specific needs. Our dynamic rotating ads capture more attention than static methods, allowing multiple businesses to share space, making advertising more engaging and cost-effective. By focusing on rural areas overlooked by larger platforms, we are able to connect local businesses with nearby customers.